Prominent civil rights attorney Ben Crump is now looking into the case of a Philadelphia man who spent 31 years in prison. Christopher Williams was wrongfully convicted of 6 murders in the early 1990s. He was exonerated earlier this year, and this morning Williams filed a civil rights lawsuit. BNC correspondent Astrid Martinez is in Philadelphia with more.
After being exonerated, Christopher Williams is basically trying to piece his life back together from scratch. Because Pennsylvania is a state that does not compensate exonerees, Williams is now seeking justice and accountability.
What is the price for stealing his life? What is the price for stealing his life?
Nearly 31 years after being cleared of heinous crimes, Christopher Williams is telling his story and seeking accountability.
I spent 25 years on death row after I was convicted of 3 homicides. I had 3 death penalties and 1 life sentence.
In the early 90s, Williams was prosecuted for 6 murders. He was acquitted of 2 and exonerated of 4. Williams was released from prison in February 2021. Now he's on a mission.
To this day, I don't know at times what freedom feels like, but I'm trying to figure it out.
Wow.
I don't have time. I don't have time to pity myself, because I feel as though I stand on the backs of individuals and who paved the way for me, my parents, my grandparents, their parents, individuals in whom survived the bowels of the slave ship and survived on this shore. I stand on their backs, and that's why I've never given up on myself. And I can never give up on individuals in whom I left behind in those cages.
Wednesday, Williams held a press conference surrounded by his legal team that includes prominent civil rights attorney Ben Crump. They're suing the city of Philadelphia for mishandling his case.
It is Philadelphia who has one of the worst records on wrongful convictions, especially of black men. It is our hope here today that we will start the process of giving the city of Philadelphia an opportunity to go from worst to first.
Williams and his attorneys claim police buried leads, hid evidence of alternative suspects, and that law enforcement coerced vulnerable teens to frame him in order to obtain convictions at any cost. Williams says he paid the price with trauma.
When I first came home, I was away. And I laid down on a pillow about 4 o'clock in the morning, and my head popped up around 5 o'clock, and I looked at the door. And the first thing I thought was, they're getting ready to come get me and take me back to jail. No one should be thinking like that, and whom have been set free. But that was my mindset, because that's my reality. That's the trauma that I live. And every now and then I still revisit that trauma from time to time. And I share those things with my family so they could identify with what it is that I'm going through. So this journey is not over, but the healing process has begun.
Now, Williams has a big family. He's a father of 6 children, 26 grandchildren, and 5 great-grandchildren. He says he feels robbed of a life where he should have been spending time by their side. Now he's seeking $100 million in damages. In Philadelphia, I'm Astrid Martinez for BNC.
Voting rights activist Stacey Abrams is running for governor of Georgia again. She announced plans to launch her 2nd attempt to become the nation's first black woman governor. Her decision could mean a rematch between her and incumbent Republican Governor Ben Crump. Their 2018 run was one of the most narrowly decided races that year and was clouded with allegations of voter suppression, which Kemp denied.